Hey Dana, yeah, welcome to my vlog, and this is basically under puppy love. 9 is enough, but it's soon to be not enough plus 1, which is 10. And in my videos I was thinking 10, even if we got I gotta go positive on this. Even when we get Lucky back, we're gonna have 11, 9 plus 2. So an update. He's been with the SPCA for 3 days now, and he appears to be improving every day that they have him. So the latest one was today. She called up and they said that she feels that Lucky is now clear of any maggots. She's just maybe concerned now of maybe brain damage because of being hit, but he's still not eating on his own. But she has got him to, what should I say, he is pushing on her and purring. So if that's not a positive, a positive update, I don't know what is. My only concern last time when they said that he had made 100% better, he was 100% better from the last time, was, you know how we know that when terminally ill people or animals are in that stage, they can have a real good day. I mean, it's like to a point where you feel that they're recovering and everything, and then guess what? They're done. But I don't think so. I think he is. I think he's coming out of the woods. I think he can see light at the end of the tunnel. So we're going to get a better update on him tomorrow, and we'll find out from there. But this is all under, you know, our local SPCA, which is, you know, donations and situations where, you know, people have again donated, or when they pass away, you know, they give large or lump sums to the organization. So if you can have an SPCA take a look at him. Oh yeah, she did mention that the vet, it is a vet tech who's watching and monitoring right now on him. And tomorrow the vet is going to show up. Those volunteer vet is going to take a look at him and give his prognosis of him. So you know, just this is an example. You know, this is not the example, but this is actually in a bill from what a hospital could charge you. And this is when we dropped him off at the hospital. We want hospital admissions level 2, $125. Hospital admission exam emergency, $125 the minute you roll them in the door. Hospital admission level 2. This is the doctor's bill. $281. Multiple injections, $121. Additional medication and treatment, $100 to $150. MDV evaluation, $52.80. No idea what that is. Blood glucose tests, $34.90. Blood glucose repeated, max of 10 days, $37. And FEVA, FELV, and FIV, and HWT, $78. So when they did that, the invoice low was $632 and high was $919. And you've got to give 50% for this to go on, or they won't treat your animal. So they do have credit in this case, but you know, this would just be a standard, you know, emergency situation. If your dog or cat was hit and you took them in, this would be your bill right off the bat, between $600 and $900, depending on how bad the animal is. So, and I just got done doing the having bear neutered. You know, that was a $600 bill. So, and that's local. So they're in, you know, really only way to do anything is go through your SPCA. And I do recommend, if you want to give donations, definitely SPCA. Once I get this done and we get Lucky back, I'll be definitely putting a link to the SPCA so you can give donations. You know, especially come up around your birthday, you get on YouTube, you can set yourself up. Hey, you know, some birthday wish. I'd like you to donate to a charity organization, you know, in my name. So, but or your name if you want to do it that way too. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching to be updated. Keep prayers going towards him. He needs them. You know, he's a soul. You know, it doesn't matter. Animal, but he's a pet. He's a pet. You know, and he's gonna. He makes people happy. You know. I hate seeing animals suffer, and if there's any way to keep them alive, I'm gonna find a way to do it. And hopefully down the road, as soon as I'm stable enough to retire here, I'd like to do some rescue work myself. So, and as you're watching these videos on my YouTube, eventually, I hope my YouTube funds or my AdSense funds will be enough to do that. So, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and share, and we'll catch you on the next 9 puppy love. 9 is enough plus 2.